Hello, food enthusiasts. Today we're turning the spotlight on fresh vegetables, the unsung heroes of healthy cooking. Get ready to unlock the full flavor of your favorite veggies and make them the star of your meals. Let's dive into the world of fresh vegetables. Picture this: a rainbow of crisp lettuce, juicy tomatoes, crunchy cucumbers, vibrant bell peppers, sharp onions, and sweet carrots. Toss them all together in a bowl, drizzle over your favorite dressing, perhaps a classic blend of olive oil, lemon juice, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Don't forget to add a sprinkle of fresh herbs like basil or parsley for an extra flavor kick. Voila! Your simple, fresh vegetable salad is ready to steal the show. But salads are just the starting point. Picture the smoky, savory flavors of grilled vegetables. Zucchini, eggplant, bell peppers, onions, mushrooms, all cut into large pieces, drizzled with olive oil, seasoned to taste, and grilled over medium heat until they turn golden brown and soft. And then, there's the quick and easy vegetable stir-fry. Imagine a medley of broccoli, carrots, red bell peppers, sugar snap peas, onion, and garlic. They all dance together in a hot wok, with the sizzling sound as the perfect cooking soundtrack. Add a splash of soy sauce, a little water, and season according to taste with ingredients like ginger or oyster sauce. And there you have it, a colorful and nutritious stir-fry that's ready in minutes. These are just 3 ways to harness the power of fresh vegetables, but the possibilities are endless. Don't be afraid to experiment with different combinations and seasonings. The beauty of cooking with vegetables is the variety and versatility they offer. Now it's over to you. What are your favorite ways to prepare fresh vegetables? Don't be shy. Share your best recipes in the comments. For more inspiration and tips on healthy cooking, remember to hit that subscribe button. Join our community of healthy cooking enthusiasts, and let's continue this food adventure together. Until next time, happy cooking, and remember, fresh is best.